Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can scrap reddit.com using Octoparse. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will guide you on how you can scrap the title, the post content and the upvotes and everything. So before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I've been doing web scraping, data related work, AI automation, and done over 500 plus projects for clients worldwide. So if you want to hire me for any upcoming project, so you can contact me on my email that is shown on your screen. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing that you will do is you need to find out the subreddit that you want to scrap, right? So if I click on the search bar and write web scraping and open this one here page, so we can see we have got this subreddit of web scraping club. Now I will scrap this, but you can choose your own subreddit that you want to scrap. So the next thing you will do is you will copy that URL and then open up your Octoparse account. Now the dashboard of Octoparse will look like that for you. The next thing that you will do is you will click on new, click on custom task, and then paste in that URL in the text box and then click on save. Okay, once that is done, the next thing that we need to do is we need to get the title and everything right. But for that, I have made this XPaths. So don't worry about XPaths. I will make a dedicated video on that. If you want me to make the XPath guide video, I will make it for you if you let me know in the comments. So the first thing that you will do is you will copy that loop item XPath, and also I will paste these XPaths in the pinned comment so you can copy it directly from there. Okay. So loop item XPath, I'll copy it from here, open up Octoparse. The next thing that I will do is I will go on my right side, click on add step and click a loop, right? And then once I click the loop, I'll click on the loop tab, and then from the loop mode, I will click here and then choose variable list. So this is important, and then I will paste in that XPath that I just copied and then click on apply and then click on save. Once that is done, I'll just click on got it. Now if I click on loop item again, you can see we have got a detection of every post and everything. So the next thing that we will do is we'll fetch the title of the each post, right? So for that, what you need to do is you click on add step and then click on extract data. Then you will once that's done, you will click on add custom field. Make sure the extract data button is ticked or clicked, and then click on capture data on the page, right? The next thing you will do is you will copy that title XPath from here and then paste it here and then name it as title and then click on confirm. So once that is done, you can see we have got the title, right? Now I'll get the content like the text of the this content text. So for that you will need to go again to the XPath, copy that XPath that I just showed, and then click on add custom field, click on capture data on the page, and then you can change this to name this field as content. And once you click on confirm, you can see we have got the content of the each post as well. The next thing now you will do is add custom field again, capture data on the page, and then this time I will name this field as upvotes. Click on confirm then again. Now this time you can see we are getting the title again. So don't worry, you will click on this right click on that column and then click on customize field and then go to now customize field, go to select other attributes, and from here you will choose the score that is our upvote. So you can see this post has 0 upvotes, so we got the 0 upvotes in the row as well. The next thing I will get is I can get the comments as well. So I click on comments and customize field. Again, I will go to select other attributes and then I'll again go to comments. Click on comments, comment count. We are getting the comment count as well. Now the last thing that I'll do is I'll get the URL. So name this field as URL. Right click, go to select other attributes and then content href. Href means we are getting the URL of each subreddit. Now the last thing that we will do once that is done, we have got the columns, is add another step, but this time it will be a scroll, not a loop item. So for scrolling, we can, for this page I have like so it will like scroll two times and that is enough for me to get all the listings, but you can choose the repeats from like page layout. So if it's more like post, you can add more repeats. So but for me it has few listings, so I'll just choose two repeats to the bottom of the page, click on save, and then drag this loop item inside this scroll and then click on save. Now all of the things are done. I'll just click on run and then I'll just click on standard mode. So now you will see it will start scraping for us. For it, now you can see I can export data as Excel, CSV, HTML, or whatever format I want, but I will just choose Excel this time and then click scroll down, click on come. So as you can see guys, we have got the results here on our Excel sheet. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more web scraping, data related and AI automation tutorials. And please subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching.